Javi Wasabi's rig, Raptor Grille, and a Weldtec lift kit, Weldtec bumper. There's Hank.
I mentioned yesterday, but
This meet has a security dog, a Doberman.
That's right.
Don't rip my hand off. Thank you. It's a Weldtec lift kit on this one. Hi, Hank. Javi Wasabi off-road recovery.
hell yeah.
1 million subscribers soon for you, man. Yeah, buddy, keep moving. Easy money. Give that man a million subscribers. Thank you, sir. Have a good one. See you back. Captain America. Yeah, buddy.
See you on the next one.
See you guys on the next one. This was great. Ryan, my dude. Be safe, guys. And then there are two. That's the line, right? And then there are two. And then there's two. Plenty of clearance, Javi Wasabi. Had a long way to go. The box didn't touch.